Hello students, today we will learn how to construct the square, and the name of the square is READ. This is the topic of standard 8 chapter number 4 practical geometry. So till now we have studied how to construct the different type of quadrilateral in which 5 measurements we have given, right? Either 3 sides or 2 angles, either 3 angles or 2 sides, 3 sides or 2 diagonals, right? So in this way different type of quadrilaterals now we know how to construct. So this is the last topic of this chapter, and that is of the special cases of rectangle, right? Special cases means the square is a special type of quadrilateral because we know that its all 4 sides are equal. In the same way, if we have to ask to draw the rhombus, then we know what is the property of the rhombus, right? Then in the same way, rectangle is also a special type of quadrilateral, and parallelogram is also a special type of quadrilateral. So all that quadrilateral, whenever we construct, before that we must have the knowledge of the properties of that quadrilateral. So currently we want to construct the square, and the name is READ. So let us first of all draw the rough diagram, right? So to draw the rough diagram, let us take, this is the first side, this is the second side, this is the third side, and now join both this point and it will be the fourth side, right? So this is a rough diagram. Give it the name READ, right? We can give it in either clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So give it the name R, E, A and D, right? One of the measurements, only one measurements we have given. See, only RE is given. And what is RE? RE is 5.1 centimeter. Now here only one measurements we have, but according to the property of the square, all the sides are of equal measurements, right? So this side is also of 5.1 centimeter, this side is also of 5.1 centimeter, and this side is also of 5.1 centimeter, correct? And also all the angles are of 90 degree. That means all the angles are right angle. This is also the property of the square. So see, we required minimum 5 measurements, but here we have 8 measurements. So now it will be easy to construct the square. Let us start from the base, that is RE, right? Okay, so that is RE is of 5.1 centimeter. So in the scale, measure the distance, that is of 5.1 centimeter. So see, this is 0, this is 5 and 5.1. So to this distance, this represents the 5.1 centimeter exactly. Okay, give it the name. One point is R and second one is E, right? Now what we have to do, we have to construct a 90-degree angle at E point and R point. At the both the point we have to construct a 90-degree angle. So now we know that how to construct a 90-degree angle using the compass, right? Take some radius, this much, make an arc. You can also take some more radius, okay? Make an arc, make a semicircle arc from the point, taking the E as a center, right? Now what I have to do, whenever this line and this arc intersect, at that point keep this point and make one another arc on the previously drawn arc. See, now make one more arc by taking this point as a center here. Okay, in the same way, with the same radius, we'll make one more arc here, and the second arc we have to draw from this point which intersect the previously drawn this arc in this way, right? So here we get one more point, and we know that when we join both this point we get exactly of 90-degree angle, right? So this angle is now of exactly of 90-degree, correct? In the same way, the process we have done here, we have to do at the point R. See what we have to do. We have to make an semicircle arc by taking R as a center in this way. Right? Now by taking this as a center, make an arc on this semicircle. Okay, one more point we get here, take it as a center and draw one more arc with the same radius, one more arc draw here, and by taking this point as a center, draw an arc here. Here also we get one more point, right? So now join these 2 points, okay, R to this point. When we join these 2 points, again we get here the 90-degree of the angle. Okay, now what is the A is from the AE? It is the distance of 5.1 centimeter. Also here R to D is also 5.1 centimeter. So what we have to do? We have to make an 5.1 centimeter on the scale. 5.1 centimeter. This is 0. This is 5 and this is 5.1. Okay, so now make 2 arcs, one from the E on this ray which we have drawn, and one from this R. So here we get the 2 more points. One is this, another one is this. This point is D and this point is A. So all the 4 points we have got. Now join these 2 points D and A. By joining these 2 points D and A, now we can see that there one square is constructed with the name READ. You can also measure that this angle is also of 90-degree, and this angle is also becomes an of 90-degree, exactly 90-degree, right? And what are the measurements? We can write down also the measurements. This is of 5.1 centimeter. This side is also of 5.1 centimeter. This side is of 5.1 centimeter, and this fourth side is also of 5.1 centimeter, right? All the angles are of 90-degree. All the sides are equal. So in this way we can draw this type of special quadrilateral. But before we draw this type of quadrilateral, we must have the knowledge of the properties of special quadrilaterals, right? So this is all about this lecture, and this is all about this chapter, right? So in this way now you can practice on your own and you can draw any type of quadrilateral. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.